Where are you from?
I'm from Israel. Do you like Israel?
तेरा तो गेम बजाना पड़ेगा।
Yeah, I like Israel.
और अभी तो रुको, क्लाइमैक्स अभी बाकी है।
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So
So,
fun.
you like Palestine?
Good question.
No,
Why?
I don't like Palestine.
okay.
We always fight. I don't like
So
Palestine
I wanna know why you don't like Palestine. Why is the reason?
because they always want to kill us, and it's not they don't want a peace. They want to take our country.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But I know that through the media, they always want to peace.
Peace?
Yeah,
No, they don't.
it's not true.
I'm sorry to tell you that, but they don't. They don't want peace.
And
We always fight. We always like. They always like boom boom and all those stuff. I don't know so much English, so I don't know how to tell you that. But like boom boom
please,
boom boom.
want to
Yes.
know the real truth. You
Want to know the real truth?
also. You have to know the
I know the truth.
reality.
I'm living in Israel. I know how it's to live in here. I know everything.
So share something. What you know.
And it's when you like you want your country to be like a good country with the good people, and like when and in the 1948, when like the country came to be a country.
Okay, tell.
Okay, so we share it with the Arabic and all those stuff and all those people, and they didn't want that, so they kill us. Okay, they just like boom, 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 boom to take a part of our country. So it didn't work. So we are like fighting right now. You know
So
what I mean?
you think
I didn't like
you think Palestine
confuse you?
is stolen your land?
Yeah, Israel, it's my country.
No, it's not true. Because I know through the
It's
media, Israeli people so many Palestine kids also. It's right or wrong?
Because they kill us first. They kill us first. So we need to fight back,
They
we need
are
to protect
innocent. Okay,
we need to
they
protect
are
our
very
people.
innocent. Kid also very innocent. Why you kill?
I think you should be here and see all the truth.
No.
Not just see on the
No,
media,
okay,
on Google.
listen. Listen to me. You killed so many kids. So they are innocent. Why you killing innocent people?
We didn't kill innocent.
So
not true.
kids are innocent. Do you know that? You
They
believe?
kill innocent from us because they want the country, so they like kill people to get more parts from the country for them. You know what I mean?
Oh, you are
This
killing.
is what happens.
You support killing the kids? Tell me.
No. I think you should be here to see what happened. You see,
I know.
This is all I can tell you. This is all I can tell you. That's all.
You
That's all.
wanna Palestine land. Why?
Palestine, it's not exist, bro. It's not exist.